Hey there, it's William. Today we're tackling an issue with your Samsung top-load washer, specifically if you're seeing an error code DC or DE popping up on the display. These errors usually indicate a problem with the door switch assembly or the main control. Now before we jump in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more do-it-yourself repair guides. We'll walk you through inspecting these parts, and rest assured, this is a problem you can definitely fix yourself. Let's get started and have your washer back in working order in no time. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter, a Phillips screwdriver, a channel lock pliers, and a Flathead screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your top-load washer by unplugging or switching the breaker off. With the power safely disconnected, let's dive into troubleshooting your washer. So let me show you how we are accessing it. We're grabbing our Phillips screwdriver and removing the 5 Phillips screws along the back of the console panel. With the screws removed, the back half of the console will pull away from the console assembly, and we can set it to the front. The front console will lift up at the back, and we can rotate it so that the face is down. We may have to lift the lid in order to do this. We're going to test the door switch assembly from the wires just to the right of the main control next to the noise filter. Now we can grab our multimeter and set it to continuity, which looks like a sideways Wi-Fi symbol. We are testing from the green wire to the white wire. There should be continuity while the lid is closed and no continuity when the lid is opened. If the door switch assembly does not pass this test like we see here, it would need to be replaced. If you'd like to know more about how to use a multimeter, we've put together a comprehensive tutorial for you, so check out the link in the description. If the door switch passes the continuity test, the main control would be the cause of failure. To replace the switch, we're grabbing our Phillips screwdriver and removing 2 screws securing the back of the top panel to the washer frame. Now we are moving to the front and lifting the lid. The 2 bumpers at the front of the top panel are being removed to get to the front top panel mounting screws, and we are removing them as well. We're going to go ahead and remove the screws from the green wires with the yellow stripes in the back to be able to move the top panel more freely. We are pushing the wire connector through the top panel. You may need to grab channel lock pliers to disconnect a hose from the valve and maneuver it so that way we can get the connector through. This allows us to lift the left side of the top panel just enough to maneuver the door switch assembly harness out of the retainers. After that, we are lifting the front of the top panel just enough to remove the Phillips screws securing the door switch to the top panel. Here's the old door switch assembly, and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we can secure the door switch assembly harness to the top panel retainers and feed it through the port. If you removed a hose, then the wires and hose would need to be connected back into place. After that, we can go ahead and install the 2 screws in the front, then insert the bumpers. We're going to go ahead and re-secure the green wires with the yellow stripes with the screws that we removed, and then finish up with the last 2 Phillips screws that we removed to secure the top panel. We are grabbing the console and rotating it into the top panel, lifting the lid a little bit just to slide it in. Now we are securing the back console panel back to the console with the screws that we removed earlier, and then plugging the power cord back in. With that, we are done. Once you've identified the issue with your Samsung top-load washer, whether it's a door switch assembly or a main control, grab your model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. You can order the parts you need with confidence, knowing most orders arrive within just a couple of days. Once your new parts are in hand, check out our installation video guides to ensure a smooth repair process. We'd love to hear how your repair went, so please let us know in the comments below.